Hello Priya, how are you doing today?
Hello Raj, I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am doing well. I wanted to ask you something about healthy eating.
Sure, please ask. What do you want to know?
I want to eat healthy food, but I don't know where to start. Can you give me some ideas?
Absolutely. Healthy eating is very important. You can start by eating more vegetables and fruits.
I like fruits, but I don't eat vegetables much. What kind of vegetables should I eat?
You can eat many types of vegetables. Spinach, carrots and tomatoes are good choices. These are rich in vitamins.
I like tomatoes and carrots. How can I eat more spinach?
You can put spinach in your pulses or vegetables. It also tastes good in sandwiches. You can try that.
This is a good idea. What about fruits? Which fruits are healthy?
Most fruits are healthy. You can eat bananas, apples, oranges and papaya. These are easily available in the market.
I like bananas and oranges. I can eat those. What about drinks? I drink a lot of tea with sugar. Is that healthy?
Tea is fine, but too much sugar is not good for you. You can use less sugar or consume green tea. It is healthy.
I will try that. What about snacks? I like to eat samosa and chips. Are they bad for me?
Samosas and chips are tasty, but not healthy. They contain a lot of oil and salt. You can eat fruits or dry fruits for snacks. They are better for you.
I understand. I will eat less samosas and chips. What about rice and roti? I eat them every day. Are they healthy?
Yes, rice and roti are part of our Indian diet, but you should eat them in limited quantities. You can try brown rice or whole wheat roti. They are more healthy.
I will try brown rice. It looks great. What about exercise? Is it important for health?
Yes, exercise is very important. You can go for a walk, do yoga or ride a bicycle. These are good exercises.
I like walking. I will start walking every day. How long should I walk?
You can start with 30 minutes a day. If you want, you can go longer as you get used to it.
That would be fine. Priya, thanks for your advice on healthy eating. I will try to eat better and exercise more.
Welcome Raj. I'm glad I could help. Also remember to drink plenty of water. It's good for you.
Yes, I will. Thanks again. I will see you later.
See you later. Take care Raj.
Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.